The next Macmillan Coffee Morning is happening on Saturday the 14th of September from 12:30 till 3. So why don't you pop in for this great cause where they raise awareness for cancer.
I know that you are with me. I know that you are with me. How majestic.
Ladies, this one's for us. Devoted, our women's annual conference is happening in just a month. So make sure you get your ticket, invite your friends along, get their tickets, and join us on that Saturday for some great encouragement. We've got a guest speaker, Sarah Small from the Eden Project in Manchester, joining us for that day, and it's going to be such a wonderful day of encouragement. So come along, don't miss out, and bring your friends as well.
How majestic is your name in all the earth, in all
Kids, youth, even toddlers, this one's for you. We are back this term with so much fun for all of you. So listen up. 180 Youth, we're starting back this Friday here at church. So it's going to be a good one. So come along for that if you're a teenager. And for Noah's Ark Stay and Play, for you toddlers and you preschoolers, this is where you can come along on a Thursday with your parent or guardian, and that will be a lot of fun. And GeForce, all you kids out there, are you ready for the new theme? It is House of Games, which means there's going to be lots of games for you. So make sure you come along, join us this Friday when it starts, and we can't wait to have some fun with you this term.
so who am I you claimed to be a worth? No limit to your way.
The new cohort for Next Level Bible Studies is going to be starting this Saturday. That is in the morning, and it always happens on the second Saturday of the month. So come along for that, but you've got to sign up online. There's going to be a 2-hour session each morning that you come along for the month, and you will get given, if you sign up, you'll get given all your notes via email afterwards. So come along. It's going to be looking at Daniel and at Psalm 119, and it's going to be such a refreshing time. So sign up online on our website or on Church Suite for the Next Level Bible Studies.
When I think of the heavens high, the moon and stars, Lord, what am I, the ocean?
So that's all for the main church news, but don't forget this Wednesday is midweek prayer and Bible study, so make sure you join us Wednesday evening for that. And next Sunday, put this in your diaries, we're going to be launching Mission 25 and telling you all about that. So make sure you come along next week to hear all the details about that. So have a great week, guys.